Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course this week we have the Windows 11, 23H2, and 24H2 updates for bug fixes, which are called update previews. So if you're on Windows 11 23H2, it comes in the form of KB 5050092, and if you are on 24H2, it comes in the form of KB 5050094. And so it's called itself Cumulative Update Preview for Windows 11. Now, if you don't look at it, if you don't go and check for it, it will not show up and you will not get it. So if you got no problems and everything seems to be working fine, you can just forget about it. They'll install themselves with the Patch Tuesday updates in the month of February. Now, it has some new features for Windows 11. Both 23H2 and 24H2 have exactly the same new types of features. In the taskbar, there's an improvement in the previews that show when you hover over the apps on the taskbar. So, and including the animations that go with them. You might not see them immediately, but eventually. I know that here in my case, there's a lot of the stuff that they're adding I still don't see. There's the studio effect icon that appears on the taskbar if you are with a compatible computer that has an NPU and, of course, have the apps that use studio effects that Windows has. New fonts are also in there. File Explorer has a few new little details and changes too, so that the different icons, when you right-click, the contextual menu is actually improved. And also there's a change in the settings and a few changes that have to do with date and time. That you don't have to be an admin to make changes. Now, there's some fixes. Mouse cursor that has disappears from time to time depending on the apps or where you are. So this is fixed. Also, we have the cursor that might shutter or even have some weird behavior as it moves across the screen. Then, snipping tool is fixed. There was a problem with snipping tool because of Patch Tuesday updates for January. Also fixed the high dynamic range. The display of games appears oversaturated. Fixed the famous bug that has the audio problem with the digital to audio conversion, which is a known issue. Fixed. So if you had a USB audio device that used a digital to analog converter, this was a problem that's now fixed. USB audio drivers with error code 10 also fixed. USB cameras also fixed. So and finally there's passkey. If you're using passkeys, the update removes a 1-minute timeout when you use a passkey on the phone. So these are the bug fixes, which are a lot of the things that we were complaining about, all fixed at the same time, both for 23H2 and 24H2. They share pretty much the same fixes here once again. So if you have problems, maybe it's time to check it out. If you don't, you know what? You don't have to check this out. You can wait until the Patch Tuesday, because they are update previews. That's why they call them update previews. It's because they are still being tweaked. If something is wrong with it, well, they'll be fixed by Patch Tuesday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.